Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upload a file to the C4 course in the miscellaneous section called English 101. And the first thing you need to know is that as an instructor you have the ability to edit your course. And to turn editing on, you press on the button here, top right hand corner. And on the left you'll see all the different blocks that you can edit. We can, for example, if you go into participants, we can message students. But if we want to change, or if we want to upload a file, for example, you need to select which week you want to upload a file for. Now the current week is shown in with the orange here, and the current week is the week beginning 7th of March, and we're now 9th of March, Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is to add a resource. I want to add the course outline for this course. And later on I might want to add an activity, such as I might want to create a little quiz, or I might set an assignment where a student has to upload a single file, maybe an essay, or maybe I can set some online text assignment where they type directly into a text box on C4 itself. Advanced uploading of files allows you to get them to upload several files. And the neat thing about this one is that you can set the start time of the assignment in advance, so that it will automatically become available to students at whichever time you decide. And of course you set deadlines on these assignments. Assignments we can see on another video. But today I want to upload a course outline. So how do I do that? Make sure that the editing button has been pressed, and so that you will see these extra little icons, and these are not normally visible if editing is switched off. So I'm going to go down to the current week. Now if I just want to see the current week and not all the other weeks, just press on this little square here, and then we don't have to keep scrolling up and down. Now I'm just looking at the current week. So to add a course outline, I need to add a resource. I'm going to add to this week. So click on the button, and what I'm going to do is to link to a file. Now when we link to a file, it gives you the option of uploading the file you want to link to. Now you're going to upload to the files part of this course, and I'll show you that later, but let's link to a file or a website. And this one I'm just going to, now notice where we have a red star, that means you have to put something in here. So I'm going to put course outline for English 101, and my space bar sticks. Okay, in here you can put a summary if you wish, but we don't have that much time today. If you just want to link to a website, just put the address of the website there. Otherwise, click on upload a file. And now I need to upload a file. I haven't got any files already stored in my folder under files for English 101, so I'll click on upload a file. Now you get a browse button. So now I'm using Linux. It works exactly the same in Windows or a Mac machine. Browse to find your file. Mine's on the desktop, and the file I want to upload is English 101 outline.txt. Click on open, and then the last thing is to upload this file. Now it's uploading the file, and once it's uploaded it will show you the file listed with all the other files, if any, in the files folder for this course. Now I'm just going to click on choose, because this is the file I want to choose for my resource course outline. Now you can either display your course outline in the same window on the browser. Sometimes I use new window, and then it'll open up in its own window on your computer. Show means it will be visible to students. You could select hide if you don't want to display it right now, but I'm going to show. And you don't really need to set anything else, just click on save. You can either save and display or save and return to the course. Now you can see the course outline. Now if you click on that, you will see the course outline. Now obviously this isn't a real course outline. And now I'm going to turn editing off to get rid of all these little editing symbols. And by the way, before I go, If you want to delete this, just click on this button. That will delete this resource. If you want to edit the resource or update it. If you want to move it to another week, up or down, click on this. Or if you want to move it to the right, click here. It'll just move this thing over to the right. Sometimes you might want to do that if you're putting some labels in. And that is it. So now I'm going to turn editing off. And before I go, just show you that if you click on the files, you'll be able to see all the files that you've uploaded previously. And that's the end of this video.